So what we're going to have a look at today is what the mode of a data set is and how we can find it. So the mode of a data set is found by recognizing the score or scores that occur the most. There may be more than one mode. So if we have a few scores that occur the same amount of times, that occur the most, then we have more than one mode, whatever those scores may be. If all the scores in the data set occur the same amount of times, then there is no mode, because there's no one that stands out more than another. So let's have a look at an example. We'll go back to Rachel and the 12 spelling tests that she did. So we need to look at which ones occur the most. Well, she got 15 out of 20 twice, and she got 18 out of 20 3 times. So we can see 18 out of 20 was the most common, so the mode is 18. So that's how we find the mode from a small data set. We'll now have a look at when we have a look at a larger data set, how we find the mode. So again, Rachel's whole class, remember we had one person who got 13, 3 people who got 14. We want to calculate the mode of this data. So remember, the mode is the score that occurs the most, or the one that's most frequent. So our frequency tells us how many times. So if we have a look, our mode, we've got 8 who scored 17, we've got 8 who scored 18. So in this case, because they're both the most frequent, our mode is the scores, not the frequency, it's the scores that occur the most, which is 17 and 18, and we write that down. Our mode is 17 and 18 because there was 2 of them that occurred the most.